No, just in your mind. Pikes Peak, Tacoma. The time tracker. This cool little guy has got some cool features.
So far, those 3 cars have won each of the 3 races.
This guy looks cool. His name is the Mitsubishi Pajero. Here. Foul start. This is our 5th race. Well, we have a police little guy thing here. He doesn't have a name, but I'll just call him the police truck.
5 cars, 5 winners of 5 races.
3, 2, 1. Wow! His name is 2 Go. 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh. Is it the same result?
Yep. Chevy Camaro. Nice look at him. Last race starting now. We gotta get a different car. This one didn't even work. Okay. Try 2. Go. Lane 1. Now, I knew this guy would start. He was gonna do something good. Now we are going to race the big guys, or the good guys. We are going to race 2 at a time though, so we get like good results. First, I'm gonna go with 2 of these. Yeah, these look nice. 1 is there, 2 is here. Okay, let's actually put them far apart. 3, 2, 1.
Winner, lane 6.
Different lanes, switched. Okay?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Same result.
Same results.
Cool little guy won that race. Okay, now we're gonna get other 2 cars. The weird looking one that looks cool. 2, 1, go! Well, that was an obvious result. Switching lanes.
Winner, lane 1.
This guy is fast. The little weird one. Police truck and Pikes Peak. Okay. Lane 1. Changing lanes. 3, 2, 1. Different results. Now I'm not sure what to do if they get different results. Guess we'll just have to do it in a different lane.
Best of 3 then, or yeah.
Okay, let's put it in the
Best
2
of
middles.
So whoever wins this is the winner.
1, 2, 3.
Winner, lane 4.
Change lanes.
Okay.
Different results. We'll just have to race these against 2 other different ones. 3, 2, 1.
Winner, lane 1. Winner, lane 1.
Okay, this is obviously not good. We don't know which one would win. How likes this. Let's just try and guess this guy.
Winner! Lane 6!
Switch lanes.
Winner! Lane 6!
We do not know what's going on. If you guys like out there know anything about this, like why it is doing this or how did it make it stop, please comment below. Okay, let's just put these ones back away and race the two ones that are the only ones that actually got past the finals. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Winner! Lane 6!
Okay, switch lanes.
Winner! Lane 1!
Well, the best one in this video is the little one here. The cool little one that looks like in TV shows.
Mitsubishi Pajero.
Yep, that's the winner. A nice,
Nice.
cool guy.
Yeah, he looks like a racer.
Yeah.
He's the winner! Yay.
Now, please leave in the comments